Hi, I'm from the Four Blades. If you are a current subscriber via iTunes or Google Play, then this message is for you. Firstly, thank you for choosing the Four Blades magazine. As of March 2018, you as a subscriber have access to a host of new features available to you at mag.thefourblades.com. These include advanced search, bookmarking, and ebook download. To access these new features, you will need to set up a free account. You can do so by filling in the form below or emailing fun@thefourblades.com. What you need to know is that you are currently a customer of iTunes or Google Play. To maintain your privacy, we do not have access to your purchase history, and including your purchases of the Four Blades magazine. That means to ensure that you have access to the issues that you should have access to, we will need your help. After you have filled in the form below, you will receive further instruction of the information we need to make sure that your issues that you have previously purchased are available to you via the website. To maintain your access to these new features for future issues, we recommend that you migrate your billing from iTunes or Google Play directly to the Four Blades magazine. This will ensure that you don't need to send your purchase history to us every billing cycle, but will ensure that you maintain your access to both the app and the website. To find information about how to cancel your billing via iTunes or Google Play, you can find that in the support section of the Four Blades website. Within 30 days of your current expiry date, you'll receive an email from us with information about how to migrate your account from iTunes or Google Play directly to the Four Blades magazine. We will be including a 30-day free trial so that there is no chance that you will be double billed in that time. We always have you, our readers, in mind, and we have new features scheduled for mag.thefourblades.com, and we would love for you to have access to them. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us at questions@thefourblades.com.